Run.
Nelson, welcome back to another video. How'd you do it? Yeah.
What's up, guys? I'm gonna announce in a week that I'm gonna be having a new YouTube account. Okay. Thanks.
Subscribe to me. Yeah. Subscribe. Those freaking brothers are bumholes. Nelson Gaming. Oh, there you are! Chicken! I swear, if it comes and kills me, I will smack it in the face. I should have bought my Oh shoot. Okay. Stupid piece of crap. That's it.
Run.
Crazy people out at a local park. The crazy people at a local park here.
Yeah, they're lunatics.
They're trying to freaking chase a robot. And they are.
We've already just witnessed them chasing
No!
the boys, but
Wait, where's the bird? The camera can't catch the bird. It's so small. Shoot! No, man. Oh shoot, Nelson. Come on, Nelson. You can do this. Holy crap! Eye to eye.
Run.
Oh god. One.
Make sure to subscribe, and I hope you like the video.